one, we're going to do Delight. Number 3 from a Fusioning collection. All right. It looks like delivery. Front or back. All right. So then moving on, you can wait until it's a little bit is like from a shiny to getting a matte looks. All right. And then we're going to add another color, which is Honesty. Just a little bit on a couple of browse colors. And let it set for a second. So Romy, if you want to see more comments or more, you just right on the top of all the comments, press on that and pull down. So then you're able to limit up all the comments. You can just see the screen only. So I'm going to let it set. And using the crystal clear, you do not need extra brush or anything else at all. Only you need is your crystal clear. You already have the brush in your bottle for you. So it's going to make it so much better. And tap it in. You can see that I wipe off all the residues right here. And then tap it from the outside toward to the inside. Okay. And continue doing the same thing, and then you can like control wherever you want yours veins gonna be, okay? So tap it here. This is so easy for like DIY nails at home as well. I'm loving it, and just make it so simple. And then you can do it lighters or darkers. Blend it more as you wish. All right. I really love this look. So make sure you wipe off your bristles, so then that way it won't carry your extras of the excess colors back into the gels to the crystal clear. So I'm gonna go ahead and using gel painting. Can you just take this off, because anytime I open it. And we're gonna use a golden touch. Yeah, garnish one. So pick up the smaller amount from your twin tip brush. And just like, you don't have to do a straight line, just really soft touch. Okay, flash gear for 30 seconds. For all of you just tuning in, this is the first nail we did. It was super simple, easy with stickers and fusionings. I love that how fusioning was really added on the backgrounds for the nails. And with, if you're doing it for the client, it will take you probably like maybe 5 minutes additionals. And then if you are doing this for additional nails, it's gonna be is between like $10 additionals on yours nail art nails. So I'm gonna go ahead and using a no wipe top coat and top coat it first before I apply my sticker, so then that way the sticker will not peel off on the edges. Okay. Flash cure 30 seconds. I'm really obsessed with this as well. Like the 5D stickers will be on sale too. Thank you, Romy, for the badge. All right, so thanks so much for the love and the support. Okay, so there's a lot of them. It's so debating. We just like get this one. I think I want a piece of it too. So I'm gonna using my X-Acto knife here to cut a part of it. Maybe I'll cut like this part right here. We'll see. You know, I'm gonna cut the part of it only. All right, so let me cut this one right there. So I'm knocking the door. Big truck.
Just big truck back there loading stuff.
All right. There's so many stickers. Like we have probably 100 different, like 500 different kind. And I'm gonna cut in half. So when you sometimes you see your stickers have the edges right here, you can definitely cut it using the X-Acto knife right there. Let's see. Here you go. Make sure you get it all in. And you can just buff this off later. Oh my god, I'm loving this one. It's like a really fall look. And then picks up another one. I just cut it too. Go into this part. Oh my gosh, so obsessed with the looks. The background make it look so different. There you go, better. And maybe I will add one like butterflies on. Maybe the pink one, just one. I mean, use different kind though. Like a lot of different stickers there. Great. It's absolutely fall. You can add just a couple of the crystals. You don't have to do a lot. All right.
Hey Laura, yes, so you're gonna top coat your fusioning right before you put on the stickers. That way you will have a nice smooth surface for the sticker to grab on.
Yes. So now I'm gonna just add just a little bit crystal on, okay? Because this nails is so dramatic and it's so beautiful. If you don't want anything, stop before your stickers. If you don't want any like more designs on, if you want it's like really beautiful and the samples with the fusionings and veinings, you can stop right there. But we want to add, I just want to show you some more different like the additionals. If it for you at DIY nails at home, you get an idea of a lot of the designs you are going to do. But if you are like a nail tech, you can add so many of the layers on it to fulfill your client's request. Okay, so I'm gonna top the right on the top of the stickers with condensed glue gels, and then finish with the no wipe top coat, floating right on the top of your unclear condensed glue gels. So then that way it can grab your base of your crystal in one place, and it will finish when after you cure it. Okay, so again, you know what, I'm gonna using this. I love this kits. This is the glow in the dark crystal kits. just to show you right here in the size is my favorite. It's kids. If you haven't get chance to grab one, because it's sold out twice and it come back. And it is this during a flash sale, you are going to receiving your condensed glue gel, no web top coat, and precision glue gels, which is your crystal trifecta for absolutely free. If you get 3 kits, which is kit number 1, kit number 2, and neon kits, you also get is 2 trifecta for free as well. I'm gonna add just a couple on. Not going to ruining this because it looks so dramatic already, and I'm loving it. So I want to cover the vein. And add a couple more right here. It looks really fall. Look, it's one of my favorite season. This nails, it looks like the forest for fall. Okay. And I'm gonna add beads between. You don't have to. If you want to get it like a more finished look of the jewelry looks, you can absolutely add it on. So remember to add all your stickers, your favorite stickers on, and then ready to go when the sale is live. So then you won't miss out of the great sales. Is Labor Day weekend sales. And a lot of products is up to 30% off. Like say, here's a tip and trick. You haven't get chance to get your Velvetty Gel, grab that. So it's just special flash sales. And a lot of like chamfer foil gel, stock up your chamfer foil gels, premium iHo chamfer foil gels, 30% off a lot of products. Liquid and powder, gel polish, you name it, 40 gels. It's weaver gels, gel painting in the bottles with creates all the line art. Is also on sale as well. All right, so I'm really happy with this. It's just so dramatic. I love it. I can add more, but